I'm Callie Lewis. You're watching Geek Brief TV. I'm at IDG's Macworld 2009.
Geek Brief at Macworld.
I've talked a lot about Savant systems in the past on Geek Brief TV, and I finally have a chance to show you the interface and the devices that control the Savant home automation system. So tell me a little bit for the people who don't know what Savant is.
Savant's in the business of selling to dealers home automation and control systems, and that's control of everything in your home, from your media content to your cable TV, your satellite TV, your DVD players, any type of audio or video control in the house, in addition to home automation control of HVAC systems, security systems, security cameras, lighting control, shade control, everything that you control in the house, we can control. And we can control it with user interfaces that are all Mac-based, from iTouches to iPhones to all touch panels that are in the house that are run by Mac-based hardware.
And that's really your thing, because you're Mac-based and no other home automation company is doing that.
That's correct. We're the first company to come out with a complete home automation system that's 100% Mac-based. Now, all of our competitors, the model is they install hardware into the home, and then they have to write custom software to turn the TV on, to open the shades, to turn the lights on. What we've done is written software that runs under OS X that self-generates all the home automation code based on a simple diagram that the installer draws using a Mac-based application.
And let's go ahead and show the interface. You've got the iPhone app here, and it really just controls it via the iPhone app. That's so cool. And so we've got a display, and just kind of show me what you can do. Yeah,
based on the diagram that's on the computer, as you can see, the technician, anyone that understands the wiring of a home automation, say surround sound system, which is basically just the AV controls, anyone that's bought a DVD player understands that. You basically draw that with this simple application, and that will self-generate all the graphics on the iPhone.
Okay.
For example, in this diagram, it's controlling CDs, DVD players, a number of Apple TVs, cable TV. This could be extended to, again, home automation, controlling lighting, controlling HVAC. So again, the user does not have to know anything about software or anything about what's running on the iPhone. All they have to do is make a simple drawing of how the components are interconnected, and then the software figures everything out.
But that's the installer that does that, correct?
Yeah, yes, I'm sorry, the installer does that, that's correct.
Okay, and so then we can just control it, we can start playing a DVD.
Right, you could play a DVD, or you can turn on the cable, turn on the Apple TV, or control all of the plasma screens in the house. So besides the control coming from iTouches or iPhones, we can also control everything in the home from every plasma screen in the house, because behind every plasma screen is also a Mac-based computer that's superimposing a menuing system on top of all the live video feeding the plasma screen. And I have a quick demo of that.
Beautiful, yeah.
Besides just the touch interfaces in iPhones, we also came up with a very unique way to control everything on the plasma screen. Using the Mac, we can put some very high-end animation menuing systems on top of the plasma screens. And then we can design unique interfaces that don't require you to look down to change the channel, to change the temperature, to turn the lights on. So we have two different types of user interfaces. One, the iTouch that everyone loves out there, but also the ability to control everything on the screen without looking down.
And this is really beautiful.
I
saw this on the website, and I thought it was much, much bigger, but it's very small. You can kind of see that, and you're using the navigation just as intuitive as you would think.
We also have, for those who don't want the new, we also have traditional remotes that will also control everything in the house. So we have a whole collection. For those Luddites out there, right? Yes. We have something for everyone. Okay.
Where can they go to find out more information?
You can go to the SavantAV.com website, which also has a list of all our dealers for anyone interested in more information.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
This episode is brought to you by GoDaddy.com. Don't forget to use promo codes GB1, GB2, or GB3 at checkout. Thanks for watching. I'm Callie Lewis.
Geek Brief Fast Credits.